What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What we're doing today, we're going to be working on Radiator on this Jeep Cherokee, I believe it is. Not quite sure. I think it's a Jeep Cherokee. Radiator's leaking from the bottom somewhere. Like I said, we're going to do cooking cars today, but we're not doing that today because the truck does not have a good enough manifold to do it off of, and it's a little pain in the butt. So we're going to wait till I get the Blueberry out, because the Blueberry has the best manifold for it. So, but right now, I just removed the fan drive, which is 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. You gotta like move this kind of, bend this thing around. So you gotta bend your AC lines a little bit around to get that kind of going up. Which you can probably just remove it actually with this guy here. But I think it's easier to move this, and you may have to just bend this thing around. If you don't have AC, don't worry about it. Just bend it, and who cares? This thing doesn't have AC in it. I think the pressure's broken in it. But other than that, now he's gonna get 2 bolts there, one there, one there. I just took out the plastic clips all here, so this whole thing just gets removed like that, which is awesome. So that's like the easiest, I think, thing I've ever actually had to do for a car. That's a little drool that you just saw. So I think all I need to do is just remove this. Okay, I'm not gonna move that. I'll just show you over here. So there's that bolt there. I believe after that I remove that, I might have to like do some remove this and stuff like that. But other than that, I think this thing should just hopefully come out somehow like this over here. So we'll find out. Alright guys, so I changed the radiator. My GoPro battery died. Didn't have any more batteries on me, so couldn't record anymore. I don't know how much the GoPro recorded of me installing it, because I had the GoPro set up, just like, you know, recording me. I actually forgot the GoPro was even recording until I heard it beep and it turned off. I'm like, huh, no more recording. But yeah, so basically I got the battery installed. Girl, relax. Chillax, it's okay. So, got it changed. We're having trouble issue with burping it, because I guess there's an air bubble inside, so I gotta go back tomorrow and actually, you know, burp it out and get the air bubble out, and so it won't, so circulate right. So maybe we'll do a video with that, and who knows. This is just kind of filler video, because I'm trying to do a video every single day, so filler video. So hopefully doing cooking cars, hopefully for tomorrow, so for tomorrow night's video. So other than that, guys, listen, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like down below, comment down below, share the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.